Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use Markup and draw in photos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in your app library, open up the Photos app. In here, open up the picture that you want to draw. So here I have a picture that I want to draw. I will open it. Once you have opened up the picture, tap on the edit button. Then to use the markup, tap on the markup icon at the top right here. So tap on that. And it says markup turns off live photo. So tap on OK. Okay, now at the bottom here are a toolbars. So you can choose a pencil, highlighter, and you got an eraser and shapes. You also got a ruler that you can draw or you can turn off. You can also select a color. So to select a different color to draw, you can select a color. You can also use the spectrum to select a color. And then tap on the close button. Now I'm going to select this pencil first. And here you can draw. You can also tap on the size of the pencil. So you got different size here. So you tap on the pencil to select the pencil type, and then after that you can select the shape, and then you can also choose the pressure or the transparency of that pencil. So here this is very much like crayons. If you make a mistake, you can tap on the back key to undo your action. And again, we can undo. You can select a color. So I'm going to choose a red color, and I'll close that. So here we got markup. You can also choose a highlighter, and in here you can choose how much transparency to add, and you can also choose the type as well. You can see here this one is a big texture. And I can make it smaller, and I can increase the markup. So this is a full solid color, and that is how you can draw and how you can use markup. Now there is another option here, is the plus button. If you tap on that, you can also draw a square. So you can draw a square. You can change the color of the square. If you tap on the shape button, you can also choose the border, the border width of the square. So we got thin, you got medium, and you got large border or thick border. You can also select a solid square, and you can also select a color. Again, you can select a color of the square. Okay, next you can select a circle. So here you can select a circle. So whether it's a square or a circle, you can always resize them by simply dragging on one of the handle to resize that object. You can tap on the shape button to select whether it's a solid square or a thin, medium, or a thick border. And here you can also choose an arrow. So you can select an arrow. There are different arrow shape that you can choose: double-headed arrow, a single arrow, or just simply a line. And then you got text. You can also insert text into a picture. You can add description or signature, and you can also use the magnifier as well. So if you want to magnify something, here's like an iPhone down here, you can magnify it. And that's it. So that is how you can use markup and draw in photos on the iPhone 14 series. After that, tap on the done button, and then tap on the done button down here at the bottom to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.